Hi everyone, and welcome to this course, where we'll be diving headfirst into the exciting world of Linux. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about what Linux offers, this course is designed to be your friendly guide. Linux isn't actually an operating system itself, but rather the foundation, the core, upon which many operating systems are built. The most common term you'll hear is Linux distribution, often shortened to distro. This distro combines the Linux kernel with a bunch of pre-installed software and a desktop environment, making it a complete and user-friendly experience. There are many reasons why Linux is gaining popularity. 1. Open source. Linux is free and open source, meaning anyone can access, modify, and contribute to its code. This fosters a large and active community that constantly improves the platform. 2. Security. Linux is known for its robust security features, making it a favorite for servers and security-conscious users. 3. Customization. Linux offers a high degree of customization. Unlike Windows or Mac OS, you can tailor the look and feel of your desktop to your exact preferences. 4. Lightweight. Many Linux distros are lightweight and run smoothly on older machines, giving them a new lease on life. 5. Software availability. There's a vast amount of free and open-source software available for Linux, catering to almost every need. With so many distros available, selecting the right one can be overwhelming. Here are some key factors to consider. 1. Experience level. If you're new to Linux, consider beginner-friendly distros like Ubuntu, Linux Mint, or Pop_OS. These offer a user-friendly interface and plenty of resources for new users. 2. Desktop environment. The desktop environment is the graphical interface you interact with. Popular options include GNOME, KDE Plasma, X, and Cinnamon. Each DE offers a distinct look and feel, so trying them out is recommended. Many distros offer versions with different DEs. 3. Purpose. Do you need a rock-solid distro for everyday use, a multimedia powerhouse, or something lightweight for an older computer? Some distros cater to specific needs. The best way to find your perfect distro is to try them out. Most distros offer live versions that you can boot from a USB drive without installing anything on your main system. This lets you explore the desktop environment and applications before committing. The world of Linux is vast and exciting, and this course will be your guide as you explore its capabilities. By the end, you'll be comfortable navigating a Linux system, installing software, and unlocking the full potential this powerful operating system offers. In the next episode, we'll dive into installing your first Linux distro and getting comfortable with the basic commands. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode. Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last episode, we explored the wonderful world of Linux and learned how to choose the perfect distro for your needs. Today, we'll be diving into the exciting world of installation. Before we dive in, let's gather what we'll need. Downloaded distro ISO. Head to your chosen distro's website and download the latest ISO file. This file contains the installation media. USB drive. You'll need a USB drive with at least 4 GB of free space. We'll use a tool to create a bootable USB drive that your computer can boot from, or you can use virtual machine. If you're apprehensive about making changes to your main system, consider installing your distro in a virtual machine like VirtualBox or VMware. This allows you to experiment in a safe environment, which I will be using during this course, and you can too. There are various tools available to create a bootable USB drive, depending on your operating system. Here are some popular options. Windows Rufus is a free and user-friendly tool for creating bootable USB drives on Windows. macOS. Use the built-in disk utility app to create a bootable USB drive on macOS. Linux. Many Linux distros come with tools like Startup Disk Creator or Ventoy to create bootable USB drives. Downloading the tool and following its instructions will guide you through creating the bootable USB drive. Once your bootable USB drive is ready, it's time to boot from it. This process might vary slightly depending on your computer's manufacturer. Here's a general guideline. Restart your computer. As your computer boots up, press the key that brings up the boot menu. This is often a function key like F10, F12, or delegate consult your computer's manual if unsure. In the boot menu, select the option to boot from your USB drive. Your computer should now boot into the live environment of your chosen distro. Distros offer a user-friendly installation process accessible from the live environment. The specifics will vary depending on the distro, but the general steps involve. Starting the installer, look for an installation icon on the desktop or in the Applications menu. Choosing your language and keyboard layout. Selecting your installation type. You can choose between a full installation or a minimal one. A full installation includes a desktop environment and common applications, while a minimal installation offers a more basic setup. Partitioning your disk. This involves dividing your storage drive into sections for the operating system and your files. If you're new to Linux, it's recommended to let the installer handle partitioning automatically. Creating a user account. Set up a username and password for your Linux user account. Following the on-screen prompts, the installer will guide you through the remaining steps. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. After restarting, your system will boot into your new Linux distro. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your first Linux distro. In the next episode, we'll delve into the basic Linux commands to help you navigate your new system with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more episodes on your exciting journey into the world of Linux. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them in the next episode. See you then. Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last episode, you successfully installed your first Linux distro. Now, let's unlock its true potential, the power of the terminal. While Linux offers graphical interfaces, the terminal remains a powerful tool for interacting with your system. Here's why it's valuable. Efficiency. Many tasks can be done faster with commands than through menus. Customization. The terminal grants access to powerful configuration options unavailable through the graphical interface. Troubleshooting. Many troubleshooting steps involve using the terminal for diagnostics and repairs. Don't be intimidated. We'll start with some basic commands to get you comfortable navigating the terminal. Most distros provide several ways to open the terminal. Here are a few common methods. Applications menu. Look for an application named Terminal or Console, depending on your distro, in the Applications menu. Keyboard shortcut. Many distros offer keyboard shortcuts to launch the terminal. A common one is Control plus Alt plus T. Once your terminal is open, let's explore some fundamental commands to move around and manipulate files. pwd. This command displays the current working directory, telling you where you are in the file system. ls. Use ls to list the contents of the current directory. You can add options like ls-l for a more detailed listing. cd. Change directories with cd. To move to your home directory, type cd. mkdir. Create a new directory using dir. For example, mkdir documents creates a directory named documents. rmdir. Remove an empty directory with rmdir. Let's look at some commands for interacting with files. Touch. Create an empty file with touch. For example, touch new file txt creates a new text file named newfile.txt. Cat. Display the contents of a text file using cat. Be careful with this command, as it displays everything at once. cp. Copy files with cp. For example, cp file 1, txt file 2, txt copies file 1.txt to file 2.txt. mv. Move or rename files with mv. You can use it to rename a file or move it to a different directory. For example, mv file 1, txt documents / moves file 1, txt to the documents directory. rm. Use rm with caution as it permanently deletes files. It's recommended to use rf only when you're absolutely sure you want to delete a file or directory and its contents permanently. The terminal offers a wealth of additional commands. If you ever get stuck, there's always help available. Man. The man command provides detailed information about other commands. For example, man ls shows the manual page for the ls command. Help. Some commands offer an internal help function. Try typing command _name, help, cp help, for specific usage instructions. Practice makes perfect. The best way to learn these commands is by practicing. Experiment in your terminal and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, the Linux community is vast and helpful. If you get stuck, there are online forums and communities where you can ask for assistance. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the exciting world of Linux commands. In the next episode, we'll delve deeper into managing software installation and explore some powerful tools available in Linux. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Linux adventure. In the last episode, we conquered the basics of the terminal. Today, we'll tackle a crucial aspect of Linux, installing and managing software. Unlike Windows or Mac OS, Linux relies on a package manager for software installation. This centralized system streamlines the process and ensures compatibility. Here's how it works. 1. Repositories. Software packages are stored in online repositories maintained by your distro or third-party sources. 2. Package manager. Each distro has its dedicated package manager, like apt for Debian-based systems like Ubuntu, Mint, or Yum for Red Hat-based systems like Fedora, CentOS. Let's explore how to install software using your package manager. First, open the terminal. 1. Update the package lists. Use a command like sudo apt update for debian/ubuntu or sudo yum update for fedora/centos to refresh the list of available packages. Note, you'll need administrator privileges, often indicated by sudo, for some commands. 2. Search for software. Use a command like apt search then package underscore name or yum search then package underscore name to find the software you want. 3. Install the software. Once you find the package, use sudo apt install package underscore name or sudo yum install package underscore name to install it. The package manager will automatically download and install the software along with any required dependencies. Uninstalling software is equally straightforward. First, open the terminal. 1. Use the appropriate command. For Debian/Ubuntu, use sudo apt remove then package underscore name. For Fedora/CentOS, use sudo yum remove then package underscore name. This removes the software but keeps its configuration files. 2. For complete removal, use sudo apt purge then package underscore name or sudo yum remove. Alldeps then package underscore name to remove the software and its configuration files. While package managers are fantastic, some software isn't available through them. Here are alternative methods. 1. Downloading and compiling source code. This gives you more control but requires technical expertise. 2. Software repositories from third parties. These repositories offer additional software not included in the official distro repositories. Use them with caution, as they might not be as well maintained. Maintaining an up-to-date system is crucial for security and stability. Here's how to keep your software current. 1. Regular updates. Use your package manager's update command to download and install the latest updates for your installed software. 2. Distro upgrades. Occasionally, your distro releases major upgrades. These upgrades involve updating the core system components and might require a separate process. Consult your distro's documentation for upgrade instructions. By mastering package management, you unlock the vast world of software available for Linux. Explore different categories like productivity tools, multimedia applications, development tools, and more. Remember, the Linux community is always there to help you find the perfect software for your needs. Congratulations! You've learned how to install, remove, and update software in Linux. In the next episode, we'll explore some essential desktop customization options to personalize your Linux experience. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures in the exciting world of Linux. Hey everyone, welcome back. So far, we've navigated the terminal, installed software, and explored the basics of Linux. Today, we'll personalize your experience by customizing your Linux desktop. One of Linux's greatest strengths is its flexibility. Unlike pre-configured operating systems, Linux allows you to tailor your desktop environment to your preferences. Let's delve into some ways to make your Linux desktop truly your own. Most desktop environments come with default themes and icon sets. However, you're not limited to those. Here's where the fun begins. Theme repositories. Many online repositories offer a plethora of themes for your desktop environment. Explore themes that match your style, from sleek minimalism to vibrant and playful designs. Icon themes. Similarly, you can swap out the default icons with custom icon sets that match your chosen theme or personal taste. On this video, we're going to try Rofi themes. First, we need to download this package. apt-get install Rofi. You can find a full documentation about this theme from this. You can find it on the description below. Then go to this link. You can find it also on the description box. Download this repo. Extract the zip folder. Now follow the process. Spruce up your desktop with a custom wallpaper. Here's how. Right-click on the desktop. A context menu will appear. Select Set Wallpaper or a similar option. This will open a window allowing you to choose an image from your file system or browse pre-installed options. Alternatively, download a wallpaper online, save it to your desired location, and navigate to it through the wallpaper settings. Most desktop environments come with built-in customization tools. Explore the settings menus to discover options to fonts. Change the system fonts used throughout your applications. Window decorations. Modify the appearance of your windows, including borders, title bars, and buttons. Animations and effects. Adjust animations and visual effects for a smoother or more personalized experience. Don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of Linux customization lies in its freedom. Explore themes, icons, layouts, and settings until you create a desktop environment that reflects your personality and workflow. The Linux community thrives on sharing. Many online communities showcase customized desktops and offer tips and tricks. Don't hesitate to share your creations and get inspired by others. Remember, your ideal setup is out there.
Keep exploring, have fun, and don't forget to like and
subscribe for more adventures in the wonderful world of Linux. Hey everyone, welcome back to episode 6 in this exciting introduction to Linux. We've covered a lot of ground, from installing your first distro to customizing your desktop. Today, we'll equip you with a toolbox of essential applications to empower you on your Linux adventure. Today, I will use Kali Linux for demonstration, so I hope this will be fine for you. Don't worry, softwares are all the same across all distros. Now, let's explore some essential applications to enhance your productivity and explore the capabilities of Linux. File management. 1. Nautilus, Dolphin, the default file managers in these popular desktop environments. 2. Thuner, a lightweight file manager known for its speed and efficiency. And this what I am using right now, it's great. 3. Midnight Commander, a powerful text-based file manager for power users. 4. Text editors and development tools. 1. Nano, a user-friendly text editor, perfect for beginners. 2. Vim or Emacs, powerful text editors with steeper learning curves, but offering extensive functionality for programmers. 3. Visual Studio Code, VS Code, a powerful and customizable IDE, popular among developers. System Administration. 1. Top or Glances, real-time system monitoring tools displaying CPU, memory, disk usage, and process information. 2. Stacer, a free, open-source application for monitoring and optimizing your Linux system. Web browsing. You don't need more than 2 browsers, and these are the best options. 1. Firefox or Chromium, popular open-source web browsers offering excellent privacy and customization options. Two Brave, a privacy-focused browser with built-in ad blocking and tracking protection. Productivity and communication. 1. LibreOffice or WPS Office. Free and open-source office suites offering applications for word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. 2. Thunderbird, a powerful email client for managing your email communication. Three, Simple Note or Keep Notes. Take notes and access them from any device with your cloud-based note-taking application. Multimedia. 1. VLC Media Player, a versatile media player supporting a wide range of audio and video formats. 2. GIMP, a powerful image manipulation program for photo editing and graphic design. 3. Flameshot, a lightweight and user-friendly screenshot tool. 4. OBS Studio, a powerful and free software for recording and streaming your screen or gameplay. Other useful applications. 1. Ocular, a universal document viewer for various file formats, including PDFs, EPUBs, and more. 2. Play on Linux, allows you to run many Windows games and applications on your Linux system. 3. Steam, the leading platform for purchasing and playing video games on Linux. 4. XDM, a lightweight window manager for those seeking a minimal desktop experience. This list merely scratches the surface of available applications. Here's where your journey begins. Distro software repositories. Your distro's repositories offer a vast collection of prepackaged software for various categories. Use your package manager to browse and install them. Snap or Flatpak. These universal packaging formats allow you to install software from various sources, independent of your specific distro. The learning never stops. The beauty of Linux lies in its vastness and continuous evolution. Remember, the internet is your friend. Online communities, forums, and tutorials are invaluable resources for troubleshooting, learning new commands, and discovering new tools. Don't be afraid to experiment. The best way to learn is by doing. Experiment with different commands, applications, and desktop environments to find what works best for you. Remember, the exploration continues. There's a vast world of applications and functionalities waiting to be discovered. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep enjoying the freedom and power of Linux. Hey everyone, welcome back. In our previous episode, we explored a wide range of essential applications to fuel your Linux adventure. Today, we'll delve deeper into the heart of Linux, the terminal, and equip you with a comprehensive toolbox of commands. The terminal might seem intimidating at first, but it offers unrivaled power and efficiency. Here's why it's valuable. 1. Efficiency. Perform tasks faster with commands than navigating menus. 2. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks with scripts for ultimate efficiency. 3. Customization. Access and configure your system with granular control. 4. Troubleshooting. Diagnose and fix issues directly through the terminal. First command is grep. Search for specific patterns within text files. Just type in grep pattern you want, then file name. For example, grep error log.txt searches for the word error in the file log.txt. Command number 2. Find. Efficiently locate files based on name, modification date, size, and other criteria. Just type in find, then the path for searching, then the expression. For example, find/documents, name, starred, PDF, finds PDF files in your documents directory. Command number 3, head. Display the first few lines of a file. For example, headlog.txt. Command number 4, tail. Display the last few lines of a file. For example, taillog.txt. Command number 5, less. View a file page by page, useful for large files. For example, lesslog.txt. Command number 6, sort. Sort the contents of a text file alphabetically or numerically. For example, we have here a text file named file. It contains some random words like tech trends, Linux, kernel, distro, terminal, programming. We can sort them alphabetically using sort by typing sortfile.txt. Command number 7, unique. Remove duplicate lines from a text file. For example, we have here same text file contain 2 duplicated words. We can remove one by typing uniquefile.txt. First command, top. Continuously display a list of running processes sorted by resource usage. Second command, kill. Terminate a running process by its process ID, PID. Third command, tree. Display a tree-like overview of how processes are related to each other. First command, nano. A user-friendly text editor for beginners. We talked about it in last episode if you remember. It's great for fast and simple tasks. Second command, vim. A powerful but more complex text editor favored by programmers. If you could learn it and understand its power, it will be a huge benefit for you. Understanding file permissions is crucial for security. First command, change mod or chmod. Change file or directory permissions. Read, write, execute for owner, group, and others using chmod, then type the permissions, after that the file or directory. For example, chmodu plus rwx file.txt. Now the owner can read, write, and execute the file. Second command, change owner or chown. Change file or directory ownership with chown, then type the owner, then colon, then group, after that the file or directory. System Administration Essentials. For administrative tasks, these commands are handy. First command, sudo su. Switch to the root user for administrative tasks. Use with caution. Second command, df-h. Display disk usage information in a human-readable format. Third command, free-m. Show available and used memory in megabytes. Fourth command, psaux. List all running processes with detailed information. Manage your network connection with these commands. First command, ping, then type the website. Test network connectivity to a website. For example, ping google.com. Second command, ifconfig. Display network interface configuration details. Third command, IP address. Modern alternative to ifconfig. Show network interface details. Get valuable system information. First command, uname, a. Display kernel information, hostname, and architecture. Second command, cat/etc/os release, or similar file view information about your Linux distribution. Third command, man, then type the command. Access the manual page for a specific command, providing detailed usage information. We've talked about it before when we talked about getting help. This is the best way. Ready to explore more? Here are some commands for power users. First command, tar. Create and manipulate archive files like .tar, .gz, or .zip. Second command, alias. Create custom aliases for frequently used commands. Third command, apt-get update/upgrade. Update your system's software packages. Do it whenever you can, it is important. Remember, this is just a glimpse into the vast world of Linux commands. The man command is your best friend. Use it to explore the functionalities and options available for each command. The terminal awaits. Don't be afraid to experiment. The best way to learn is by doing.
Practice using these commands in your terminal.
Alright everyone, that's it for our comprehensive guide to Linux. If you enjoyed this series and want to become a true Linux pro, smash that like button and subscribe for more. We'll be back soon with a brand new series delving into advanced Linux topics. We'll explore more complex commands, system administration tasks, and unleash the full potential of your Linux system. Stay tuned, and see you on the next adventure.